There are some people that are really hurt right now, really in their rooms every single night, listening to Sade, listening to old Drake, listening to TLC, listening to Tony Braxton, Unbreak My Heart, literally because they need you back in their life. These people are literally in their rooms crying themselves to sleep, embellishing in the thought of the times you and them had together, and dwelling in the thought of the rejection you unleashed on them when they try to come back for cuffing season, or when they try to come back over the summer, or when they're going to try to come back, because you know they're going to try to come back. They've been seeing you winning out there. They've been seeing you putting in that work. They've been seeing you shooting in the gym, but they don't want to give you your credit. They can't give you your credit. It's not in their nature to give credit. It's not in their nature to give you your flowers while you're still alive. They broke your heart and they hoped you died. You know what